Hey guys, situation's quite crazy, isn't it, with COVID-19? It's like an unseen enemy that's just affecting the whole world, and it's really scary because there's nowhere to run. It's everywhere. All you can do is stay inside and stay safe as much as you can. Wash your hands. Try not to eat too many toilet rolls. That was crazy. Thank God that seems to be kind of normalizing now. You couldn't get a toilet roll for love of the money. It was like gold dust. Look at this. This is where the toilet roll normally would be, and it's all been taken. What is wrong with people? People panic buying. They've still got limits on what you can buy, but there's nothing abnormal. It's 3 items. The supermarket where we are, they're keeping social distancing, so only letting a certain amount of people in at any given time. And Tig works at the NHS, so Tesco have done like an hour window dedicated to NHS stuff before the store even opens on a Sunday. So that's really good. Yeah, life has been a very weird version of normal at the moment. Very, very weird. You're trying to keep yourself positive and motivated, and it's very difficult. So many people have lost their lives due to this, and my thoughts and prayers are with those who've lost friends and loved ones. Poor Tig's granddad has passed away. I think there's been complications due to this coronavirus. It's really sad because normally when something like this would happen, you would go and see the family, you would go to the funeral. We can't do any of that, so you feel really helpless, and it's really frustrating. We don't have enough ventilators or beds to deal with this increasing number of people getting affected by coronavirus. So at the time of recording this, it's 22,141 cases in the UK. Some people have to go to work still. Tig's been lucky enough that he can work from home. His hospital has 68 cases of COVID-19. They let him work from home because his commute is quite long. It's like 2 hours into work, 2 hours home. Going forward, he's working from home to the end of May. That's where it stands at the moment, and a few other of his colleagues are doing the same thing. So at the moment they're letting him work from home because of his commute, because it's like 2 hours in, 2 hours back, and he can work from home. However, he has to be on call, as in obviously when hospitals break, they break. So he has to be available whenever to get into work, anytime, day or night, basically. That's the rule, isn't it, Zing Blanche?
It is, yes.
Which I'm happy to do.
Kate's very kind.
Oh no, we got to help the NHS, haven't we, Tig?
Oh yeah.
On the 26th of March, the country came together to sort of cheer the NHS. So loads of people came out into the street clapping. Some people let off fireworks. It was just a really nice moment where everybody kind of spent a minute, 5 minutes sort of acknowledging the NHS and all the work that they're doing to help us. But it's mad. Places of worship have closed. So I'm watching Mass on TV or on my laptop just to kind of stay connected. It's Easter. We're not going to be able to celebrate Easter in the way we normally do. I don't know how the church is going to kind of circumvent that. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's very strange times. Even my sessions with my chiropractor have come to an end. So how are you guys doing? How are you entertaining yourself during this time? How are you guys keeping yourself sane? I've seen some of those videos where like Justin Bieber did it, like pretend the floor's lava, and this other guy did something like that where he's bouncing on trampolines and stuff, and it looked really cool. I've been cooking a lot. I don't like cooking, and I'm cooking more because it's something to do. But what are you guys doing? Are you painting? Are you strip teasing? So yeah, I'm taking a little bit of a break from here for a couple of reasons. One, it feels a little bit inappropriate to be doing those kind of videos, like travel-y videos, when we're all stuck inside. The other reason is my laptop. I got this in 2009 when I was a student and it's kind of been playing up, having problems with storage and stuff like that. When I went to Egypt, I did all my videos in 4K. Stupid me thinking, just edit them when I get home. I haven't been able to because it's just not working. So Tig's got me a new hard drive and he's going to try and install everything and fix everything. I'm not sure how long that will take. It shouldn't take too long, but I obviously haven't edited anything yet, so I've got to do that. So I would imagine a few weeks, really. I've got one travel video that I haven't published, so I could publish that if you guys want to see it. But then after that, while I'm waiting for my laptop to be repaired, and also while I'm sorting out some of Egypt, would you guys like to see some vloggy things, or would you rather I just disappeared and went into the ether? Let you guys vote downstairs. Kaylee's just, our rabbit's just running around. She had a little fight with me the other day. She put her paws up and was like, and I was just like, for God's sake, I'm actually having a fight with my rabbit at 1 in the morning. It's very weird, you know, with this whole COVID situation. I'm so thankful that I'm healthy, and I'm so thankful that my family are healthy. I'm grateful that we can have our 1 hour a day where we go for a walk. But the thing I find hard is sometimes I forget myself. So I'll go downstairs and I'll walk around a little bit like a battery chicken, and I'll be going around in a circle. I'm thinking, why am I bored? Why aren't I doing something? Let's go out. Oh wait, I can't. You know, like how you go to the fridge, you open it and you look for food and there's nothing in there. And then you find yourself 10 minutes later going back to the fridge anyway, as if it's going to replenish itself. And of course it isn't. So that's kind of how I feel like with this COVID-19, it's a bit like that. It feels like Groundhog Day, really. We're just all trying to do random stuff to keep ourselves busy and our minds active. But it is a really good sort of opportunity to do stuff that you haven't been doing. Like I'm trying to do a travel website, trying to get that done, cleaned this room because it's full of mold, so we cleaned that and painted it and replaced our lock. To see films you haven't maybe seen, or to learn something new. I want to learn the piano, really. I'd love to. So I'm just sending you guys my positive vibes. Well, stay safe, stay frisky, and I'll see you soon.